Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, in this video we're going to be comparing the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the standard iPhone 12 against each other, and as well as some regular random household items like the tissue paper, the can of Twist. This is a, what size is this? This is a 300ml can of Twist, so it's a small one, as well as the Uno cards box, which is something that I actually miss playing. And we're also going to be comparing it to this manuscript book from CNA. This is the one of the small version. Let me just measure this guy just to start with. This is a 20.3 centimeter book. So let's start first of all by measuring these iPhones against each other. Now, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the biggest of them all. Now this guy here will come at a 6.7 inch size. Okay, so let's just start by measuring these phones using the metric tape. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is a 6.7 inch device, so in centimeter that will count around 16 centimeters. Now, plus minus 16 centimeter. The iPhone 12 mini is 5.4 inch, which is around 14. This is around 13 centimeter. And then the iPhone 12, the standard one, is a 6.1 inch device. And this guy would be around also, is that 14? Yeah, that's 14 centimeter. Did I say the iPhone 12 mini is 6? Oh, the iPhone 12 mini is 13. So this is 13 centimeter. This one here is 16. And then the iPhone 12, the standard one, is a 14 centimeter phone. So let's compare it. First of all, let's compare the iPhone 12 mini with the Checkers extra savings card. The Checkers extra saving card. So if I just put that thing next to it, as you guys can see, that's basically the size of the MagSafe wallet, and that's it compared to the size of this guy. Now if you go to the big boy, which is the iPhone 12 Max Pro, as you can see, it actually swallows that card completely. This is just a size comparison compared to this guy, and then compared to the iPhone 12, the standard one, it's basically also a little bit close to the iPhone 12 mini, but again, it fits almost exactly like the iPhone MagSafe wallet would. Now let's put that on the side. Now with the tissue, we're just going to measure how tall the tissue paper is. Let's see, this is 10 centimeter, and then compared to the iPhone 12 mini, you guys can see that's how tall or high this guy, how long the phone itself is. Just a little bit taller than your regular toilet paper. There we go, in the top camera. That's how you're going to see it. And then we're going to do this versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is almost double the length or the double the length of the iPhone 12 of the toilet paper. And then again, from the top camera, you have it like that. And then let's put that on the side as well. And then against the 12 standard edition, let's put it like that. This is a 6.1 inch iPhone 12, and then also there for you guys to see on the top camera. And let's put this one on the side. Now against the Twist, this is a 300ml can of cool drink. Let's see if I already measured it. This is a 13.5 centimeters. All right, now against the iPhone 12 mini, should be around the same height, just 0.5 centimeters taller. There we go, just 0.5 centimeters taller than the can of 300ml Twist cool drink. Now against the iPhone 12, the standard iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 should be much taller. Now my table is wet because the can is also a little bit still cold. Okay, so against the iPhone 12, the standard one, the iPhone 12 will be a little bit taller because it comes on 14 centimeters, and the can of Twist is on 13.5, so it's 0.5 taller than it. and then the can is now upside down for you guys on the top camera there. There you have it. And then we're going to go to the iPhone, the giant iPhone 12, which again, as I mentioned on the previous video, if you didn't check those videos, go check them out. This guy comes with a LiDAR and the telephoto lens, and as well as features like ProRes, and those are features actually that are specific to the Pro line of devices. But even compared from the standard Pro to the Pro Max, there is also a difference. If I'm not mistaken, one of the lenses actually also has stabilization on it, and this is actually not your standard stabilization, it's actually the lens shift stabilization. I don't know if that's exactly the naming that Apple calls it, but in terms of the sizing, again, it's going to be much taller because this one is what, 16 centimeters if I remember correctly. And then lying down, I'm just gonna make it like that, as you guys can see, also a little bit taller. The main aim of this video obviously is if you really can't go to the Apple store with all these things to measure the phone, and you can just use this video as a guide if you're looking to still buy these phones in maybe beginning of 2021, if that's when you're watching this video, or even if you're watching this video later on after the iPhone 13 or 12s is out. This video will forever be a guide for you to actually measure this device. Now let's put the cold drink as well on the side. Now let's try with the Uno card. And the reason I'm using these different devices or this different everyday item is because some of you might actually have these items lying around in your house, so you will know which size this device is or was. Okay, against the Uno cards, the iPhone 12 mini just a little bit taller. I'm not counting the top part of the Uno card, so just a little bit taller. If I count the top part of the Uno card, then it's, I think that's around 1 centimeter shorter. And just standing like that, you guys can see. All right, put the iPhone 12 mini on the side, then we go to the iPhone 12. I always say standard because I mean this is the standard phone before they started making the mini. And then this is a 6.1-inch phone, almost exactly the same height of the Uno cards box, if I will include this top part here. Let's do actually a side shot to see how thin these devices are. Now they're most probably going to be all the same thickness. Okay, so it's most probably, this is what, 3 iPhones stacked together. It's basically all the iPhones stacked together is the size of the Uno card. Now iPhone 12 standard on the side. We have now the iPhone 12 Pro Max, much bigger than the Uno cards themselves. There you go, just a top-down view of that. And last but not least, we're going to do the book itself. This is a CNA manuscript which we've measured at this is 20.5 centimeters. Now we compare that with the iPhone 12 mini. Is this the mini? No, this is the 12 standard. You see, now I'm confusing the phones already. This is with the 12 standard, as you guys can see. Not that much bigger than the phone itself. If I just put the phone on the inside, there you have it again. Let me put that in the middle. There you have it. Let's compare it standing and as well as on the side. This would be 2 iPhone 12 in terms of, actually it could be only one and maybe 0.5 iPhone 12 standard. Yeah, now against the iPhone 12 mini, same thing in thickness. In terms of the height of the device, it's actually almost half. And then on the inside, it actually swallows it completely. Now, last but not least, with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, this, as I keep saying, is the ginormous phone. This is a huge phone. Here we go. It actually almost the size of the book itself. It's only what, 4 centimeters shorter, because the book itself is 10 centimeters and the iPhone should be around what, 16? Yeah, 16, 14 and 13 and a half. So in terms of thickness, should actually be also really close. Now let's do the book with all the phones together. There we go. There we go. This book should be around the size or the size of the iPad mini, if I'm not mistaken. And talking about iPad, let's put my iPad also on the side and measure all these guys together. This is the iPad Air 2. Let me put the book. Okay, let's leave the book there for now and then measure it like this. Wow. All right, there's a stack of Apple product and the book is in the middle. This is probably, as I mentioned, the size of the iPad mini. And let's move the book on the side and just have the actual devices. There we go. All right, so you can count the iPad as a bonus comparison device. All right, and there you go. And if I just stack them one on top of each other, let's start with the iPad. That's the iPad, and then you have the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's clean this guy before we put the other guys on top of it. And then you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Clean that guy as well. And you'd have the iPhone 12 standard iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. And we can put the extra saving card right there and our other daily item next to them. And one more thing that I would want to actually compare on this video is how the MagSafe charger will look behind all the devices. Now, all these three devices support MagSafe charging. I actually almost forgot about this guy. So on the iPhone 12 mini, there you have it. Did I find it? Okay, that's the spot. On the iPhone 12 mini, that's basically the spot. And it actually holds pretty tight. And it actually looks cute on the iPhone 12 mini. On the standard iPhone, wow, I think the grip there's better grip on this guy. I wonder why. Okay, so on the iPhone 12 mini, gripped. And then on the big guy here, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, yeah, it's done. Actually, this will not come off. All right, that's basically for this fun comparison video. Hope you actually enjoyed the video. Obviously, if you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment down in the description and say what you enjoyed about the video itself. And let's put it back here. All right, this is gonna be it for this video. Obviously, if you haven't checked the other videos on these guys here, I'm going to have links down in the description, as well as an iCard up here with maybe a playlist of all these devices. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Also, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.